In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove job alerts on LinkedIn. Whether you're actively searching for a new opportunity or just want to stay informed about the latest trends in the job market, LinkedIn's job alert feature is an excellent tool to utilize. Let's dive in and see how you can take control of your job alerts. First, to begin, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. If you're not yet logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll see several icons. Among them is the Jobs icon, which usually looks like a briefcase. Click on this icon, and it will take you straight into the Jobs section of LinkedIn. This section is where you can not only explore various job opportunities, but also manage your job alert settings with ease. Now that you're on the Jobs page, look towards the left side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a variety of options, but for our purpose, you'll want to click on Preferences. This will bring you to a page where you can adjust all the settings related to your job searches and alerts. Once in the Preferences menu, keep an eye out for the section labeled My Interests. Under this, click on Job Alerts. This is the area where you can either create new alerts or manage existing ones. You'll have the flexibility to set your job preferences, letting LinkedIn notify you whenever new job listings match your criteria. It's a really useful feature, especially when you're aiming to keep up with specific job postings. As you sift through your job alert settings, you'll see a section titled Top Job Picks for You. If you decide that you no longer wish to receive these alerts, it's straightforward to stop them. Simply look for the toggle switch next to this section and switch it off. By doing so, you'll stop LinkedIn from sending you push notifications or email updates about these job suggestions. It's as easy as that. Once you've gotten everything set up the way you like, don't forget to click Done to save all your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the updates you've made are applied correctly, so take a moment to ensure it's clicked. And there you have it. You've now successfully managed your job alerts on LinkedIn. Whether you opted to add new alerts to explore fresh opportunities or decided to remove some to keep your inbox tidy, the process is quick and simple. Thank you for watching. I truly hope this guide helps you make the most out of your LinkedIn experience. Be sure to stay tuned for more tutorials and helpful tips.